Assalamualaikum. Myself Mohammed Jawad, and today is my presentation topic in management accounting. Number one topic is absorption costing uh, and a comprehensive approach. So firstly, we will discuss that what is absorption costing. This firstly, I will discuss that this presentation explore absorption costing. Absorption costing is crucial method for assigning cost to products and understanding business profitability. That कि we assign करते हैं हम क्या करते हैं assign करते हैं cost to the products and understand the business profitability. It delves into different components like advantage, income statement, constructions, and other applications. So basic concept in observant costing is that we assign the cost to the products and understand the business profitability. So the next is components of absorptions. There are three main components, that is direct material, direct labor, and manufacturing overheads. So the first is direct material. Direct material is basically raw material that is directly used in creating a product, and it include costs like raw material, packaging, and that are used in directly in production method. So second components is direct labor. The direct labor is basically wages of worker that involved in the manufacturing products. It include like salaries, wages that will paid to employees, and physical transform of raw material into finished goods. And third one is मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ओवरहेड, जिसको हम बेसिकली फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड भी कहते हैं. इसमें टू टाइप हमारे पास होता है, यानी कि इसमें और इनडायरेक्ट कॉसेस कर होती हैं, जिसमें लाइक फैक्ट्री रेंट हो गया, यूटिलिटीज हो गए, इनडायरेक्ट लेबर हो गई, डायरेक्ट में इनडायरेक्ट मटेरियल हो गया, और डेप्रिसिएशन ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इक्विपमेंट ड्यूरिंग प्रोडक्शन. Next one is absorption costing versus activity based cost. Absorption costing is basically we have already discussed that it includes all the manufacturing cost in the cost of goods sold. It provides comprehensive view of costs associated with each product. But activity-based costing is basically focuses on the activities required to produce a product. Means it assigns cost to produce based on activities they consume rather than offering a more detailed cost breakdown. Next one is non-manufacturing cost. Non-manufacturing cost is basically administrative we can say non-manufacturing expense or other expenses that are used in our income statements, right? We can say other than the cost of goods sold, like administrative expense and marketing expense that are uh, used as other expenses. Next one is advantages of absorption costing. Uh, Firstly, there are different advantages of absorption costing. We can uh, gain different type of advantage like fixed cost recovery, resources utilization. It helps us to identify that what are the total resources that we used during productions, seasonable business suitability, external reporting. Yani it means it is used for external financial reporting standards that like gross profit and tax liabilities. These are all the main advantage of absorption costing, that are fixed cost recovery, resources utilization, system business stability, and external reporting. So, in a fixed cost recovery, we can estimate the total cost, fixed total cost that basically absorption cost is used for determining that we can determine that what is the total cost that is used for the production of goods and services. Is we can estimate and recover fixed costs from them, because in absorption costing we know that there are different fixed costs and variable costs are used, so we can identify our fixed cost from them, and that is used for fixed cost recovery. Second one is resource utilization. We can absorption costing basically help to identify under the utilization of resources by tracking all the costs associated with productions and enabling better resources allocations. Third one is seasonal business stability, especially useful for the business with seasonal sales fluctuation, as it helps distribution fixed cost across period, ensuring profitability and during slow season. And last one is external reporting. As we know that we can estimate all the cost from the absorption costing, we can know, and that we can use this data as a financial reporting, financial standard reporting, impacting important financial metrics like gross profit and tax. Next one is constructing the income statement. How can we construct income statement? Income statement, first of all, we can the number one point is sale revenue. The sale revenue is total revenue generated from the sale of goods during a specific period. It reflects the total income received from the customer from the product. Means that when we sold the products or the services, that we can generate revenue from the sale of products. Second one is cost of goods sold. That are the things that are the cost like direct material, direct labor, and FOH that is used for the production purpose, and that used for the production that is used for the that is used as expense for the production of goods, and we can know that these are the cost of goods sold. And third one is net income. After all the expenses like CGS, interest expense, other expenses, and EBITs, we can get net income when we less expenses. These are expenses from the sale, and we can get net income, and that is our income statement. There is illustrate problems. Here is an example that we a number of unit of production are available for sale. 20,000 direct material is not direct material is X. Cost of the labor direct involved in manufacturing each unit is Y. Variable of Y is Z. So total fixed overhead is we can estimate like $8. The total revenue generated from the sale of goods during a specific period is 540,000, and we can generate our gross profit or net income from these all expenses that are used for the manufacturing of goods, and the total sale is here, and we can estimate our revenue when we calculate total sale. And so after calculating total sales, we less our these all expenses from our sales, and we can get net income or gross profit. uh, main conclusion in this absorption costing, that absorption costing is offer a comprehensive approach to assign cost to products, ensuring that all the manufacturing costs are used for it. It provides valuable insight for pricing, profitability, and financial reporting, making it an essential tool for the decision making in business. We can make decisions of business through these process when we estimate all the all our expenses, like in absorption costing that we are already discussing in this presentation. Thank you so much.